we started this year with this project, which is GG Unplugged. I say yes to literally everything, and I am overwhelmed by the amount of commit. I overcommit like every other day. It seems like दो लड़कियां माइक लगा के बातें कर रही हैं, जो कर रही हैं, sure. But it was very hard for me to be as honest with you. But like, I'm like, I don't have that place on my plate. It's not an end. It's just a little pause to the yapping. I love this girl too much, and I know this project is super, super dear to her.
Sada's always told me never to start a business with your friend and never to live with your friends. Maybe sometimes friendships are not translated into work.
My ADHD brain gets overwhelmed कि 4 चीज़ें करनी है, कैसे होंगी, मुझे सोच कि कुछ होने लग जाता है. I don't agree with that statement. जब सब कहते हैं ना, we all have the same. We all don't have the same 24 hours. I can't work on anybody's timeline. क्या पता नहीं rebelliousness है, ये है तो है. Was there almost a point where like that was like you almost wanted to quit कि मेरे से नहीं हो रहा?
Me?
Yeah.
No. 17 एपिसोड्स का कौन सी सीजन होता है, पहले मेरे को ये पता.
जिसके 16th में breakdown.
आज तो मैं गेस्ट हूँ इस पॉडकास्ट पे क्योंकि ये बंद कर रही है. अच्छा बोला कि it's her.
That's okay. We'll joke it. Oh my god. It's not you.
It's not me. It's her. अब तो मैं गेस्ट हूँ.
अबे यार bitch भाई मेरे को बिल्कुल स्पॉट पे डाल दे. I love you.
अपना माइक ठीक कर फिर बोलेगी मेरी आवाज़ नहीं आती है.
ठीक है, अब तो वैसे नहीं आएगी.
अब तो कहाँ आवाज़ आएगी.
नहीं.
इसकी आवाज़ तो गई.
Hi guys, this is Gurish
And this is Sam.
and welcome to another episode of GG Unplugged,
where yapping never ends. And maybe the last episode. I just wanted to put it out there.
I know for a fact when I said another episode, I saw that coming.
Maybe the last episode, guys.
But never say never. So you know what, kind of, maybe. Okay, let's dive into it. Let's start with the fact that it is June, aka 6 months into 2025, and we both ambitious bitches started this year with a lot of goals and plans, I believe. And I know you manifested some of the things, or at least were manifesting. Did some of the things we did manifest come true? Was there anything that like surprised you? कि oh shit ये हो गया या ये नहीं हुआ? Like how are your New Year's resolutions going in so far, half the year down?
My New Year resolution was more of a personal side.
Interesting.
Not from work side, yes.
Okay.
So I had goals regarding my work that I want to be in a leadership position. I want to lead a team. Like I do lead a team, but lead a team, you know how I look up to Sahas for a lot of things. I want to be that person. I want to be surrounded by so good people around me who pushes me, which is happening. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Love that for you.
You know, when it happens, when people recognize you for your work, your talent, and they respect you for that, they respect you for you as a person.
It's a different feeling.
So that's a different feeling. It's not like the fully into it, but I'm starting to get
Good,
into
you get in
that
there.
leadership role. I have to take certain roles, certain things, work, whatever that is. And for my personal, I thought I'll be more calmer and I'll be more sorted, and I would not, how do I say, push my feelings down. Whatever I'm feeling, I will let it out. And I'm doing it this year, which is actually a very good feeling.
That's beautiful growth.
I didn't know that I could feel so, because if you don't share, you feel a lot of stress in your body, I can't function.
Yeah.
So now I've been very vocalized about my feelings
That is
with
good.
everybody around me, and I love it. Like it is so liberating.
It
Like,
is.
It is so liberating.
It is.
Wow, I've let it out. It's up to the universe now.
Yeah. And it's very tough to take that first step.
It is very tough.
It's very tough.
It is very tough, but I am also happy. Like I have people around me, like you, Avni, Sahas, and my friends, people I know. They're also the same. They're very mature, calm, adult people who are not like going into offensive, defensive zone. Ki nahi, 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 aapne aise kaise bol diya. So it's good. Like universe does put you in a place.
That's true. अच्छे लोगों को अच्छे लोग ही मिलते हैं.
And I also took a test drive of G-Wagon.
Oh yes, you did, and it was good, and I was there.
My friend gifted me a G-Wagon car, the mini car. It's so pretty. It's so pretty.
I had that in mind for your birthday. For fuck's sake, I'm almost pissed.
I already got it. He's so sweet. He gifted me a G-Wagon mini.
Bro, the other
thing.
day when I saw G-Wagon, I exactly knew what I was getting you for your birthday. Man! Plans officially ruined.
Shit.
I'm almost like pissed, but good for you.
Get me a perfume. I'm almost out of my perfume.
Just say it. Actually, let me know which one you wear. And I'll
That's
wear it.
actually true. I actually asked my friends, you know.
Yeah, because I'm going to get you some random shit and you're going to be like, thank you, but like, ye chahiye nahi tha, so like, just let me know.
Okay, getting back to your point. What were your...
Oh, this year's New Year's resolutions, I think some of the things I have stuck by, because New Year's resolution is why मैंने कुछ ऐसा नहीं बनाया था कि ये करना है X number or like X thing to achieve. I don't do that anymore per se. I just have like year-end goals. Like this is the feeling I want to have by the end of the year.
Yeah.
That I was true to myself and my emotions. So really bang on that. And it मेरे जैसे इंसान को जो इतना बोलती है, but as you were talking about the other day as well, जो बोलना होता है बस वो नहीं बोलती.
Yeah, I was taunting. I'm like,
Yeah.
Guresh, आप ना सब कुछ बोलते हो, बस जो बोलना होता है
That I give to myself. थोड़ा सा रख लेते हैं. Like why really? Because I have always been that, you know, in the episode you were talking about how women really don't entirely speak their truth and like keep things to themselves so that the other person doesn't really have to have the burden of it all. And I've just, I don't know, conditioned that way. तो मैं थोड़ा सा रख लेती थी. Like, you know, I'm like, नहीं उसको नहीं बोलना, रख लेते, कोई नहीं, I'll manage, I'll handle. But when it gets a lot, this year I've really started to let it out and it is okay. It took a very long time. That happened. Then career-wise, things are finally somewhat unraveling and working out-ish. So I'm happy about that. I'm happy to see that there are opportunities coming up for the hard work I've put in for months and months and over a freaking year. At least जो last 1.5 साल का तो मैं बहुत ही, you know, I am going to be loud and proud about it. The 1.5 last year, I have really put in a shit ton of effort and I'm happy about that.
I know that.
And I'm glad it is slowly starting to pay off. So it's that point in my life where the wheel is moving slowly but surely. So which feels good. And अब जाके थोड़ा लग रहा है कि I can see work and friendships and everything from a very mature lens, as we talked about as well, right?
Yeah.
Like I can.
It's such a different feeling. Like
It is.
Oh, I want to add one more thing, guys. Never in my life I thought, I think I told you about that, but I've never talked about that on podcast. That my father told me that I'm very proud of you and I know you will take care of yourself, so I'm not worried about you. That's the first thing, like whole this year, that's the thing that just I'm like
Stayed with you.
it will stay with me for the rest of the year. And I'm going with everybody and telling everybody my father told me that. I'm so happy about it.
Aww.
I'm so happy about it. That's the first, because that was not in my bingo card of this year.
See, that came by as a surprise. But that is
That
such a
came by
sweet thing.
surprise, because I think he saw me going through tough times, right? But yeah, he was like, yeah, I know Punjabi mein if somebody can relate, mainu pata hai tu apne aap nu sambhal lena hai. I'm very proud of you.
That's all you need
That's
to
all
hear,
you
bro. That's literally all you need to hear. Similarly, मम्मा ने जब कहा कि अरे तेरी एज है तू explore कर, we didn't get to do this for the summer. I'm like, my mother is telling me go out and explore for the summer. I'm like, insane.
Like these are also things like the relationship with your parents, when you see it more getting refined and more
precious.
getting like precious,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
if you start living away and they're like, oh, they miss us a lot, we miss them a lot, and I think that is more important.
Distance does make the heart grow fonder.
It does, and I'm seeing it, I'm like, wow.
yeah, सबके साथ है ये तो. But truly, and यार दूर रह के ना एक और चीज़ समझ आती, like friendships को कितना, because जो लोग यहाँ पे हैं, you gotta value them, and the people who actually show up for you, you also gotta be go above and beyond.
Yeah.
कई बार जाना चाहिए, and चाहिए rather for that matter. पड़ता है वाली बात नहीं है. Like we really value school friendships, college friendships, but nobody talks about the friendships you make when you were just in a random country. Didn't know shit, making your way through adulthood. Those are as precious as somewhat school friendships. Like वो उतनी ही core मेरे बुक्स में अब हो गई है एटलीस्ट.
मेरे according the friendships that you make in a foreign country with strange people, they are much more core and deep rather than your school and university friendships. I agree, like those are like your heart.
Yeah.
Like, you know, those will stay with you forever. But the person who understand you from the point of view in a foreign country,
Yeah.
because they are also going through the same thing, and you guys are at a certain level of mindset which you can't change, because while growing up हमें पता है कि हम एक दूसरे को कैसे देखा वो, but they haven't seen us this version,
true,
right?
that's true.
So this person have seen us in our, how do I say,
The more I get you though, like I get the
more-
feeling, the
yeah.
most vulnerable and like lost, confused self. Like you found each other when you both didn't know where life would take you, and then you made somewhat sense of it. And well, that was us. That was us.
yeah, guys, we had a very hearty conversation after
Yeah,
the last, episode, which we did outside.
Yeah.
I think it will. I think it will go live tomorrow.
Yeah.
But yeah, we had a 3-4 hour conversation about like
Was it a conversation or 3-4 hours of us
Crying.
crying in a food hall, weeping like, oh, I have never cried after. Actually, I have. Forget it. I was gonna say after a boy out like that, but I have.
no, I know.
You've never cried over a boy like that, really?
Only
Shush.
once.
So that only.
Once only. Yeah, you also once. And twice actually.
See, bitch. I want to hear the twice. Never mind.
You know it. Twice only.
Okay, never mind.
I'm like, no cries over boys.
Yeah, I don't cry over boys anymore, but
We cry over girls.
we cry over our friends and the projects we start together.
Okay, guys, I'll give you a
Let's-
rundown. Let's keep it a little fun, okay?
Yeah.
So we are not going into the little details right now. We will, but we started this year with this project, which is GG Unplugged.
Yeah.
It was basically, I was very excited about the podcast because I wanted to yap somewhere, and I found a person who yaps a lot. So I'm like,
So
Let's-
randomly, she shoots me a text back in September last year.
it was September.
October, somewhat that.
I think October, November.
September, you shot me the text. We started filming because I remember I was in Milton still. So
Yeah.
that's why I remember. And I shifted in October, I think. So September, she shot me a text like, hey, do you want to do a podcast? Like, we should do a podcast. So we were still on that content creator program,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Then we should do a podcast. And I'm like, great effing idea. Okay, a little context about me. I am the person who says yes to everything.
Yeah.
Also without
Realizing.
which sounds very like, oh, she's such a,
Go getter.
go-getter भी नहीं बोलना चाह रही मैं, like what do you say, spontaneous and हर चीज़ को हाँ बोलने वाली इंसान, right? But which sounds fun until I say yes to literally everything.
Yeah, that's true, guys.
And I am overwhelmed by the amount of commit. I overcommit like every other day, every day. So I overcommit myself without really planning things ahead of time and like, seeing the long run sort of how things are going to pan out. Did not really see that. Love this project, by the way. FYI, it's my heart. We were joking around like it's going to be my ex that I often stalk.
Yeah. Because she's like, I'm gonna like, I was like 5 year down the lane when we will be like talking about what. I'm like, yeah, I started a project with this girl. She left me in between.
And now see who's missing the millions, because I know this bitch is gonna make millions. Anyways, coming back to so she reached out to me and I was like, yeah, let's freaking do it. And I'm always this excited person. I'm like, हाँ करते हैं, full energy, this that, without pretty much realizing that it seems like दो लड़कियां माइक लगा के बातें कर रही हैं, जो कर रही हैं, sure.
But
At the end of the day, it is a lot of work.
It
which
is-
takes a lot of resources, time, money, energy, effort,
blood, sweat, tears. A lot of things. And we have grown a friendship through this podcast.
Honestly, yeah.
We've honestly, yeah.
Yeah.
Like we always talk. We used to always talk about work. ये करना है, वो करना है, ये
Always,
episode की
pretty
बात
much.
करनी है, वो बात करनी है. And we had our differences as well. We fought a lot. We argued a lot.
We had a lot of fights. Not fights, but like,
Yeah, arguments over little
Arguments
things.
over little
Because yeah,
things.
we do have our opinions, but we also both love each other. So I'm like, yeah, we will figure something out. We always do figure something out. But then sometimes it gets to a point for either one of us that it's not physically possible for that person to actually give in a lot of efforts. And we talked about this a lot, like how this project needs way much more efforts than it's in a hit.
Yeah, that's true. Because
way
if we
much more
actually,
effort.
if we actually want to take it to the next level and make it a big thing, we both really have to double down. And honestly, it was very hard for me to be as honest with you, but like, I'm like, I don't have that place on my plate. And if I do that anymore, if I stretch myself out any thinner than I already have, I'm going to break. Like this rubber band can only stretch as much.
As
वो टूट
much.
जाएगा, bro.
I know.
So I had to let you know of that, and it was extremely freaking hard. Like it still has not sunken in yet, to be very
No, I
honest.
had to extract the thing out of her, guys. Do not like think,
No,
oh, she came me. Like I'm like, no, I had to like dug deep into her heart. Like, no, tell me,
That's
tell
how
me,
I
tell
am.
me, tell me,
You
tell me.
that's how my best friend
Finally, she
describes
was
me,
like,
like,
yeah. You have to dug into her. That I know, to really get the things out. And I observe
Yeah.
people I know. I was
Like,
with a
that's
friend yesterday, and he was like, nobody ever described me that accurate.
That is very freaking, like, that is the exact terminology her Noor, my best friend, uses. देखो dig करना पड़ता है. Like you will not say it up. I would, yeah.
Yeah, that's all she can say. Yeah. But
It's just too
guys, okay,
accurate.
to just sum
Coming
it
back.
up, this podcast will go on a break.
Yeah.
But when it comes back, you might see only me and sometimes her as a guest. We will yap. But maybe I would take this alone, but maybe we would just wrap this project, or maybe we could think over for some months, and maybe there will be season 2. We have no idea.
So all we're saying is it's not an end. It's just a little pause to the yapping.
Yeah.
You're gonna get more of this girl for sure, because she, like, the mic, like, this is meant to be, like, this frame is meant to be, and I mean it.
This frame is meant to be.
Bro, you have a podcaster voice. You
I
admitted it
don't
yourself.
know.
You admitted it yourself. It is, and it's good, and you should put yourself out there. तो ऐसी हमारी Toronto girly है बिल्कुल IG baddie. You should put yourself out there.
Yeah.
And I just thought it was very unfair for me to be that person who show up and half-ass things when I know I cannot in the long run. Because what you don't get it, that even if an episode is getting 100 views on YouTube, it's still extracting the same amount of energy, money, effort, thought. There's so much that goes behind creating a simple episode that looks like दोनों बैठ के बातें कर रही हैं, right? So it is only fair for me to see it as a business. किस चीज़ में investment जा रही है ना, जो चाहे वो तुम्हारा time हो, पैसे हो, resources, energy, coordinate करना इतना कुछ. I can't even tell you how much coordination goes into every episode. There are like 2 editors working on this, both of us, and that kind of stuff. तो इतना सब कुछ जब जा रहा है तो उसको it's only fair to see it as a business. And if you're only half-assing or like आधे मन से invest कर रहे हो business में, तो very obviously you're not going to see the benefits. And you have to see कि तुम्हारा return on investment क्या है, especially as time and energy more than anything. And I personally, with where I am in life and things like that, I don't think I can invest as much time, which is the only reason I had to moreover like pull back. But then I was also, you know why it was such a hard conversation for me to have, because हमेशा सब बोलते हैं never start like a business or a startup or like work with your friends, and I had that fear, you know, all this while as well. The only thing that was holding me back was I don't want to ruin this. I love her to bits and she knows it. Like, I don't even want to look at her and say it. I love her to bits and she knows it. The only reason, if I, as literally said, like this last 6 months I stretched it out also, was because I love this girl too much, and I know this project is super, super dear to her, and she's super dear to me. So which is why I wanted to show up कि यार उसका बहुत मन है. I'm being utterly honest here, and I want to do it for her. But it is only fair for her also कि अगर अपना कुछ project करे कि उसके बाद कोई आके बस ऐसे थोड़ा सा काम करके चला ना जाए. That person should be all in or just go
out, yeah.
get away, like fuck off, honestly, in the most simple ways. And I'm being utterly honest, and it took a lot off of me to be this.
Yeah.
But yeah, man. So I think अगर तुम किसी का काम शुरू भी कर रहे हो ना, at least make sure it will shift your friendship dynamic. It changes your friendship dynamic. Just starting things, not even about like ending things, just like being in a work situation with your friends, it will change your friendship dynamic. It will affect things. हो जाती है ऊपर से हमारी बहस आर्ग्यूमेंट्स बातें दिस दैट यू विल प्रॉब्ली नॉट लाइक सम थिंग्स ऑफ द अदर पर्सन एंड वाइस वर्सा बट प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट अगर तुम जिसके साथ कर रहे हो वो इतना मेच्योर है इतना इमोशनली स्टेबल है दैट यू कैन हैव दोज हार्ड कॉन्वर्जेशंस यू कैन स्टिल कीप द सिस्टरहुड यू कैन स्टिल कीप द फ्रेंडशिप एंड नॉट ruin it. Businesses fall, dude. Business partners split up. It's
So okay, so Sahas has always told me never to start a business with your friend and never to live with your friends.
Yeah.
But okay, I have a point. I would love to do that because you know why? Because then you really get to know a person in and out.
Inside out.
Inside out when you really live with them and when you really work with them. We were talking the other day, right? And I told her like how we are so good as friends and we will be like very happy on our own, to each their own, right? But maybe sometimes friendships are not translated into work. You know how she works and how I work, it's totally different. I come from a point of view that I need to get things done because I've been working in a very dynamic environment since the start, and
Very
she's
fair.
so used to working on her own,
Freelance, yeah.
freelancing, doing her thing, creative freedom, that's and
Correct.
all of things, right? So that does create a clash sometimes between us, and which is okay. That's how you figure it out. The businesses, whatever the situation is, the clashes are bound to happen. But I now disagree to the fact that you should never start a business or you should never live with the friends. You should. Go ahead, do it. That's how you know if that person is worth keeping in your life.
I know, but that's what I'm saying कि risk उसी के साथ लो जिसको तुम्हें लगता है low-key like worth it, like it's that deep of friendship, or at least you think you're at the same level of maturity. Because I have, again, as you know, the bad roommate story. That person wasn't worth giving a chance, and I kind of knew it from the get-go. I still went ahead with it because I'm this freaking person who says yes to everything. I'm dumb, I know it. Like with this is a habit I'm really trying to change. But I have to at this point.
You
Like,
have to,
can't
because she
say
has
yes.
100 things on her plate, and then she's like,
I'm like, bro, my body's physically hurting at this point, but नहीं वो possible नहीं और वो नहीं करना चाहिए.
नहीं करना
clearly.
चाहिए.
But
yeah, we had this
Nobody taught us
conversation, so we are just giving you a rundown of what will happen. How many episodes did we? It's the 19th or 20th episode that will
it's the
go.
16th ला. No, 15th गया था, so this is 17th.
20 तो कर लेते. क्या और नंबर पे फिनिश कर रहे हैं? 17. What is this happening? हाँ,
This bitch.
हाँ, या तो 15 कर लेते. 17 एपिसोड्स का कौन सी सीजन होता है? पहले मेरे को ये पता.
जिसके 16th में breakdown.
या इसका 16th एपिसोड के बाद ब्रेकडाउन हुआ, तो दिस इज द लास्ट एपिसोड.
लास्ट एपिसोड का मेरा हो गया.
तो थोड़ा ऑड इवन थोड़ा फिगर आउट कर लेना. 17 एपिसोड्स का एक सीजन
प्यार होना चाहिए यार, ऐसे क्यों?
नहीं, मेरे को थोड़ा इवन
I
कर
know,
लेते.
I know. This is why I
बीसी कर
love this
लेते,
girl.
थोड़ा बीसी कर लेते, राइट?
अब बीच में 2 कर लूं, क्या करूं? जान खा जा मेरी. देखते हैं.
इसको पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 कर देंगे.
पूरा मिल्क करेंगे इसको. एटलीस्ट इवन नंबर पे करना है. आई गेट इट.
वो थोड़ा ओसीडी फैक्टर आ जाता है.
एक तो हमने एक और चीज रियलाइज करी, लाइक एज ही वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट वी ऑब्वियसली हैव वेरी डिफरेंट पर्सनालिटीज एज वेल, बट वी हैव वेरी डिफरेंट वर्किंग स्टाइल्स एंड पैटर्न्स. इट इज हिलेरियस. सो आई हैव, एज अगेन फ्रीलांस पर्सन, माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड आल्सो सेज कि देखो प्रॉब्लम तब आती है. शी इज़ वेरी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक्यूरेट विद एवरीथिंग शी सेज. वो भी बड़ी ऑब्जर्वेंट है, मेरे साथ में पढ़े हुए हैं. बट शी इज़ लाइक यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम ऑलमोस्ट व्हेन यू हैव टू बी अकाउंटेबल टू समवन, एंड इट इज़ अ फैक्ट. आई एम बीइंग ऑनेस्ट, आई एम बीइंग एक्सट्रीमली वल्नरेबल. कोई अपने बारे में चीज़ें एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता, बट आई एम वेरी
proud of you.
Yeah, because I'm like, I somewhat have a problem of being accountable or answerable कि मुझे किसी को जवाब देना है, which is why I've never been in a job situation and happy. Because I don't want to be answerable or accountable to a certain freaking manager or head or boss or leader, because I'm like, मैं अपना काम कर रही हूँ, चुप रहो, मुझे करने दो. Like I have been that person, and it's not even from a arrogant place से नहीं आ रहा. Do you get it? Like that's just a personality trait कि मैं अपना काम अच्छे से कर लूँगी. मैं arrogant नहीं हूँ, पर मैं किसी को जवाब नहीं दे रही. Please, like I'm not answerable to XYZ person. And this is because I've always been this freelance person, right? Content creator थी सारा टाइम, तो एक creative freedom और एक अपनी time space की मुझे habit है कि मैं अपने schedule में कहाँ fit कर सकूँ. Not like there's a certain schedule given to me and now I have to follow it. Like that is almost suffocating to me, and that feels like a ugh, I don't even know how to put it like, ugh.
No, it's no, she is right. So she is that person and I'm the opposite person.
Oh, she's a multitasker. One more last thing to add before you go ahead. Like, I am great at like मैं 2 चीज़ें करूँगी बहुत अच्छी करूँगी. But if you give me 4 or 5 things, babe, that is a breakdown. Like breakdown की recipe है मेरी पूरी. My ADHD brain gets overwhelmed कि 4 चीज़ें करनी है कैसे होंगी. मुझे सोच के कुछ होने लग जाता है. And she's low key seen it at this point. I'm not even making it up.
Yeah, I've seen it.
I get overwhelmed, physically overwhelmed कि मुझसे I don't know bro, it is what it is. I get very anxious and overwhelmed कि 4-5 चीज़ें करनी कैसे होंगी मैं आधी एनर्जी ना इस पर अपनी वेस्ट कर देती हूँ. So yeah, when I had like 5, 7, 8 things on my plate in a day, it was killing me from the inside. I have been so anxious and she knows it. And just generally like, this is me, deal with it.
So I think, yeah, that's also the point. We realized along
Yeah,
our
man.
way that we are very good friends. Like, we love each other, and we had this conversation where we don't want to ruin this over any project or anything we are doing. So it's a good time we put into this, but also because of the fact sometimes you're so good friends, but your work ethics, your work things doesn't align. I work in a very sorted, coordinated way. ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, इसमें ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. Done है, sorted. I have done my part. Gurish, you do it. Gurish को 4 चीज़ें भेज दो, वो उसका breakdown हो जाता है कि this much. And I'm like, चल ठीक है, 2 मैं कर लेती हूँ, तो 2 कर ले. Is it fine with you? And we had this conversation
it's
so
so
many
funny,
times. It's
I
so
know.
funny. It's just hilarious at this point, like how the work dynamic
Yeah, man.
is between us. And then I'm like,
Because
चलो
also
ठीक
like
है.
our editors are in India, so I'll tell you thoda sa how it happens, right? For example, she's sending me something at like 12:30 in the night. अब मैं 10 बजे तो घर आई हूँ, अभी मैं खाना खा के बिल्कुल सोने लगी. सुबह मुझे फिर काम पे जाना है, ठीक है. हम अब मैं 1 बजे बैठ के 1 घंटे का एपिसोड सुनूँ, इसके रफ कट मतलब उसके ट्रेलर पॉइंट्स भेजूँ. सो बेसिकली आई गेट अ रफ कट ऑफ like an hour or an hour and a half long footage or something like that. You have to obviously listen to all of it, then make sure what has to get cut, what are going to be the trailer points to make it a nice catchy trailer. And I'm like, I don't have the mental bandwidth कि मैं 1.5 घंटा अपनी आवाज़ सुनूँ और इसके creatively pointers निकालूँ, ये करूँ वो करूँ, फिर इसके rough cuts निकालूँ. I'm like, bro, not happening.
Yeah, so that's how, like, that's the behind the scenes of one episode that you see,
Of
guys.
one episode,
So I do my part, like, this is what I think rough cut should be, and this is what my trailer points are, and then I send it to her, like, see, I have done my part, you also do your part. And then वो part होता ही नहीं है.
मैं मुक्का मार दूँगी, ऐसा भी नहीं है, ठीक है.
Late होता है थोड़ा, guys.
So exactly what I'm saying, मेरा ना वो timeline वाली चीज़
हाँ,
की.
and I understand कि you have a lot of things on your plate, and then that's why we are also going back and forth a lot with those things, which
because of course everybody has the same 24 hours, but not really. Honestly, I don't agree with that statement of सब कहते हैं we all have the same. We all don't have the same 24 hours because we all are not the same people. हम बिल्कुल we are not designed the same. We don't have the same habits and personality traits. So I think we all don't really have the same 24 hours, to be honest. We don't have. Yeah, we don't. Anyways, what I was gonna say was,
if you're going to start a project with your friends or anybody, think through it. You want to take a jump, but
like I did.
but also make sure that other person is also on the same mindset, same zeal and same emotional level. And if you do end up, because there is point where it might end, there should always be that chance कि ये कभी भी खत्म हो सकता है. And we knew that from the beginning, that it might end, but we didn't know when. That was the
To be
question.
very honest, I when I started, मुझे कभी भी नहीं लगा था I'm going to be, or I was extremely delusional about it. Well, that's me.
I
again.
knew that.
Yeah,
because I've been
Fair.
put that into my brain by a lot of people. Like,
Fair.
whatever this is, this might end because there are 2 people.
Exactly. So, but I guess as and when I got into it, I was more like, and I, this might, and I always was afraid of the fact that what if I have to back out and I don't want to leave this on you and that kind of stuff. Because I knew this was a little more dearer to you than it was to me. And I've been very honest about it.
I know that.
तो मुझे बस वही था कि अगर मुझे कभी जाना पड़ा तो I don't want to be like, one day like just bye, because that is unfair. Because if somebody did that to me, that is a bitch move. So which is why I delayed the conversation so much, where I'm like कर लेते but I'm like नहीं हो रहा सिर्फ नहीं हो रहा.
Yes, ठीक है, मत करो.
एक तो इतनी I love this girl too. I can't.
कोई बात नहीं.
Because my concern was that I don't want to ruin this. And I still don't. And I mean, I even जो मैं जितना चिल्लो के बोल रहे, do maybe have that little bit of fear.
That this will get ruined. No.
I don't know that this might change things a little bit. I hope not. I'm literally saying this on camera. I really hope not.
No.
But yeah.
Why would it change things between us? We are on a much mature emotional level to
हाँ, अगर हम इतनी
understand
बात
what's
कर रहे हैं
happening.
तो
Yeah.
for a fact.
And I also know if this gonna end, it's not gonna ruin our relationship. That's how you know it's worth keeping a person around, or that person is meant to be in my life, whatever that thing
I
is.
know.
So
You know, Mama was so happy the other day when I went and Mama se, I mean, I've not even talked about this to her, Noor, because I'm like a little scared कि मुझे उसे डांट पड़ेगी. हाँ हाँ मुझे गाली.
Noor, if you're listening to it, हाँ इसको प्लीज थोड़ा सा डांटना.
वही बिल्कुल ऐसे ही कर देती. मेरी वही तो मैं कह रही मेरी माँ मुझे कुछ नहीं बोलती, मुझे तेरे से डर लगता है, मुझे उससे डर लगता है.
गाइस ये तो मेरे को ना ऐसे बोल कि मेरे को हिटलर बना देती है, किसी मेरे को जैसे बहुत डर लगता है. मैं कहती मैं तो कुछ करती भी नहीं. Like I don't even say anything. I just send her rough cut and that's it. वो उसी से डर जाती है.
Shush. हाँ आंखें दिखाती है.
Yeah, I talk with my eyes. A lot of people have told me I talk with my eyes.
You do, and you very evidently do. Like, yeah, her dad is in the police, by the way, so kind of makes sense why I'm scared of her.
Yeah, my papa is the
Between
sweetest
Chowdhury.
guy in the world.
I bet. So are you again.
But I talk with eyes, I know.
हाँ.
I was told that yesterday also. कि
Yeah.
if you would have put a mask,
हाँ तेरी आंखों
तो
से
सिर्फ
मुझे
you
याद-
people would have remember you कि इसने मेरे को आंखें निकाली थी, वही लड़की है. Like this is the same girl.
आंखें निकाली थी.
You can get recognized by your eyes. I'm like, oh, sure.
Be honest, as honest. वैसे तो हम है ही बड़े honest.
I'm
ये हमारी
always
दिक्कत,
honest.
ये हमारी दिक्कत है थोड़ी सी.
That is true.
What are the pet peeves, or what were the pet peeves working together? Sorry.
She's not organized.
Yeah.
She's all over the place, all over the time. Every time she's all over the place. So she's not organized, and I am the opposite. I am organized to the max,
Which is my pet peeve.
which is her pet peeve. So yeah, guys, we'll have a fun segment now. Second of all,
Go ahead.
जब इसको अपना एपिसोड करना होता है ना कि आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस, ये अपने पॉइंटर्स लेकर रेडी बैठ जाएगी कि आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस, आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस. एंड देन जब मैंने कुछ करना होता है कहती है अच्छा सिम ठीक है कर लेते हैं. एंड आई कैन फील कि अच्छा गुरिश. Then I give her side eye कि
Oh no, I'm dying here, bro.
No,
This is
no.
too funny. Because it's too real.
but this is what it is. And then also last minute changes ये बहुत भेज देती है. कई बार परसों एपिसोड जाना होता है, एक दिन पहले इसके ट्रेलर आ रहे होते हैं, ये ट्रेलर कट्स है और मैं देख रही होती हूँ कौन ऐड करेगा अभी ये. You remember? फ्राइडे एपिसोड जाता है, मैं जो रात को बहन ट्रेलर की कट्स भेज रही है, विच आई अंडरस्टैंड टाइम बाउंड. दैट्स व्हाई राइट. फिर मैं सोच रही थी अच्छा एडिटर को तो मेरे को जवाब देना है.
I get it.
मेरे को गालियाँ खानी है.
एक वो timelines भी different है ना. It's also
बहुत
IST,
different.
EST वाला भी scene है that our editors are in India. So हमारी वही रात हो रही है तब वो काम कर रहे हैं and all of that. So it's yeah,
Yeah.
it gets a lot.
Also yeah, she tried a lot कि नहीं ये थोड़ा collaborative project में काम कर रही है, and she did try. I could see that. It's not like उसने बिल्कुल try नहीं किया, but उसका 3-4 try के बाद breakdown हो जाता है कि मैं accountable नहीं हूँ. मेरे को उसको समझाना पड़ता है कि मैं तेरे को डांट नहीं रही हूँ, मैं पूछ रही हूँ. Like I'm just asking
know, baby.
if you can please do it. ये कर लेती है,
यार.
3-4 बार करती है, फिर ब्रेकडाउन हो जाता है. फिर 3-4 बार करती है, फिर ब्रेकडाउन हो जाता
ठीक है
है.
यार, I was really trying to figure out a lot of stuff this year. This
I
is too
know.
real. I can't.
You put this question.
I know. Why did I?
And you asked me to be honest. Here it is.
Shit, I'm like, bitch, sugarcoat it a little.
I don't. You know that. I don't sugarcoat. I need to learn that, but I don't know.
No, you really don't. You're good. At least not with me.
Not with my friends. Yeah.
Yeah. But that was too real. Jeez, like I feel gutted almost.
Okay,
ठीक है?
tell me about my pet peeves. Oh, your pet peeves.
You know what? It's going to be literally the opposite of everything you
Tell
said
me.
about me, and you know it for a fact. It's इसको अभी चाहिए. I'm like, अभी माता मैं एक मेकअप बुकिंग पे जा रही हूँ, मुझे इसके बाद मुझे इसके बाद डायरेक्टली यू नो आई हैव टू बी ऑन शिफ्ट. मैं GTA ऊपर से भागती रहती हूँ. लाइक दैट्स जस्ट मी. इवन माई लैंड लेडी द अदर डे वाज लाइक यू आर जस्ट रनिंग ऑन द रोड द होल डे. यू जस्ट कम टू द किचन, यू नो, पुट सम फूड इन योर बैग एंड लीव. आई एम लाइक या दैट्स व्हाट आई डू लिटरली. कभी मैं रात को 2 बजे मील प्रेप करी. मेरा कुछ टाइम वाइम थोड़ी है, मेरा कुछ स्केड्यूल थोड़ी है. चीज़ें हो जाती है, फिर कैसे हो जाती है मुझे भी नहीं पता. With the overcommitted bitch I am for the most part, which is why this corporate bitch, when she comes into my life,
मैंने थोड़ा ऑर्गेनाइज करने की कोशिश की guys.
she tried a lot, dude. Oof, she tried to get me on a lot of things, and I'm like, I tried as well,
Yeah.
and I was like, not happening. मेरे बस की नहीं. मैं overwhelm हो मैं notification से overwhelm हो जाते जो इंसान.
ये व्हाट्सएप की नोटिफिकेशन बंद करके
मेरे
बैठी हुई है.
WhatsApp की notifications off है, मेरी Instagram की notifications off, मेरी हर चीज़ की notifications off.
मेरी नोटिफिकेशन बंद हो जाए तो मेरी दुनिया उधर उधर हो जाएगी.
पर मैं, it's like, so when I need to see an update, I'll check it, but no.
If she needs to see, guys understand the difference. If she needs to see and she chooses कि अब मैं देखूंगी, like which is okay, अब मैं देखूंगी तब ये खोलेगी. मेरे तो 100 नोटिफिकेशन आ रहे हो रहे और मैं देख रही हूँ अच्छा ठीक है इसको करना है, इसको करना है, इसको करना है, इसको करना है. I don't have any option.
I get it, yeah.
I don't get to choose.
Yeah, so I've always had, now you get it. It's just हमारा काम करने का तरीका स्टार्टिंग से इतना अलग था. And हमारी personality dynamics भी बहुत अलग है, which is very fair. So she is the bossy kind.
Yeah.
And she knows that it's not even like me making a remark. वो खुद कहती है, वो मानती है. वो है.
I come off as a very strong person.
Yeah.
In the starting, थोड़ी मेरे को हो जाता है.
Initially, I was very like, I felt like a little dominated. I was like, bro. थोड़ा डर लग रहा है मम्मी. मैं कर लूँगी, sorry. She's like, ये करेंगे, ऐसे करेंगे. Like, I was like, okay, कर लेंगे. Like, you know. Then also I eventually realized that is literally her. Even like, you know, when socializing and all that, she is the one who will say things and I'm like, ठीक है. You know, I'm very malleable. ये जो भी कह ले मैं हाँ हो जाती है मेरी बीच में. But she says it strongly and which is okay as well. तो time लगा. हाँ, initially my pet peeve was like, bro, मैं भी तो हूँ. Like, hello. सुन लो मेरी भी. But yeah, so she's organized to an annoying level. Like इतने फोल्डर बनाती है ना गूगल ड्राइव में, भाई साहब मैं ढूंढती रह जाऊंगी कि वो एपिसोड की रफ कट कौन से, रीले कौन सी, ट्रेलर कौन सा, फाइनल ड्राफ्ट कौन सा है. इसके बाद भेज कुछ अटैच करूंगी. द अमाउंट ऑफ फोल्डर्स आई हैव इन दैट ड्राइव, जीज.
20 folders.
फोल्डर के अंदर फोल्डर के अंदर फोल्डर.
फोल्डर के अंदर फोल्डर.
ब्रो दिस इज या ओसीडी इंसान मिल गई मुझे. बट ठीक है, चला लिया मैंने.
मेरे को वो भी बोलती है. सी शी इज द
आई एम द मेसी वन.
ऐसे करती है ये.
ऐसे करती है मम्मी गई की.
रहने पड़े रहने दे. अभी टाइम नहीं उठने का.
हाँ ठीक है. एनीवेज
मैं कुछ बोल रही थी. हाँ मेरे को अपनी भी बोलती है कि आप ना बॉर्डर लाइन ओसीडी हो, आप मानते नहीं हो.
हाँ आई नो, देखा. ट्रिप पे गई थी मैं आपके साथ.
हाँ मैंने क्या किया?
आपने कुछ करा नहीं. बट the looks I got when my bag was a mess and you were like, मेरी तो जान निकल जाती है. Like you were very like,
yeah, she was kind. Guys, we went to the इसका एक हमने रूम लिया है. इसका पूरा सामान आधे रूम को ऑक्यूपाई किया हुआ है. बाकी सबका सामान एक कॉर्नर पे पड़ा हुआ है. एवरीबॉडी इज ओके. इसका अकेले का सूटकेस खुला हुआ है. कपड़े उधर निकल रहे हैं, दूसरे कपड़े उधर निकल रहे हैं.
लोग ना मुझे इससे बहुत बेटर समझते थे आज से पहले. तूने जो मेरी रद्दी कर दी है इमेज.
That's a reality check, guys.
It's shit. It's like getting too real. I don't think I want the internet to know कि मैं इतनी गंदी. I'm not.
It's not about that.
I'm messy.
It's not about being messy. You are good at some things and not good at some things, right?
That's actually
it's
fair.
fine.
Yeah,
बहुत लोग messy होते हैं. It's fine as long as you have your life together. Everything is fine.
I'm creative.
Is your life together? Have you life together?
I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
Messy life को ठीक कर रही है ना, बस वही बहुत है. अब बाकी सब कुछ हो जाए messy, it's fine.
Fair.
It is okay.
Yeah.
Even if I don't make my bed in the morning, मेरे को सारा दिन लगता है कि
वो तो मैं करती हूँ. वरना फिर मैं especially मैं घर ही कब होती. But yeah, वरना I'll still get back into the bed. So when it's done, I know like I have to be out of the bed.
If I'm rushing out and I've not made my bed, मेरे को होता है कि shit अगर मैं घर पे वापस गई तो मेरा बेड तो ऐसे है. अगर कोई घर पे आ गया तो तो मेरे को थोड़ा वो साफ करके जाना होता है कि clean. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I know.
Really can't. Some things I get, some things I'm like too much only. ये देख लेना मैं कैसे अपने घर छोड़ के आई, जब तैयार होके आई हूँ तो रो दे.
सच्ची मैं रो दूँ. मैं बोलूँगी shit.
तो खुद ही घर जाके साफ करके ही I'll sit no on the bed.
पर मैं साफ करके आती हूँ, like साथ में. साथ साथ में सामान उधर जहाँ से रखा है.
ये तो मैंने इधर भी देखा हुआ है यार, ये लाइक अभी साथ साथ कर देते अगर कॉफी भी यही रख, हम लाइक अरे पी के भी रख देंगे यार, लाइक रुक जा माता थोड़ा सा. I get it.
Okay. What another pet peeve you have?
वैसे तो सही है.
एक ही था, मेरे पास काफी थे.
तू ही दुखी है मेरे से. देख लो गाइस कौन किससे दुखी है. I think no, for real, like you're too organized and you need things then and there, and I'm like, again, I will do it. जान ना खाओ मेरी, ये मेरा है कि I'm this person कि मेरी जान ना खाओ, मैं कर दूंगी. मैं अपनी माँ के साथ भी ऐसी हूँ. तो like the people who are in my life now, they know it.
That now I know it.
Now you know. Sorry,
Now I
took
know
the
it.
podcast route for you to get to know it.
Yeah, it took 6 months for me to get to know this girl. That हाँ ये कर लेगी, वैसे अपडेट मत लो.
Like I can't work on anybody's timeline. क्या पता नहीं rebelliousness है, ये है तो है. है तो है. Some things I know I need to work on. This is probably literally just a personality trait and it is okay. It works for me because I am, again, वही मैं job environment में नहीं हूँ, उसमें नहीं हूँ, तो ठीक है यार, अब चलता है.
ठीक है.
Was there almost a point where like that was like you almost wanted to quit कि मेरे से नहीं हो रहा?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, I love that.
No.
Never? Not the podcast or like even being extremely honest, like with me, मुझे मेरे से ये लड़की हैंडल नहीं हो रही.
हाँ तेरे साथ तो बहुत बारी हुआ है. 2 हफ्ते बाद जब इसका ब्रेकडाउन होता है मैं होता है
I can't with this girl.
I can't because sometimes the thing is we are kind of two persons. I don't share my feelings a lot. Even if I told you, even if I'm breaking down, I won't share that. It's just how I operate.
That's how you deal with
Right? It's
your
just how
emotions.
I deal with, right? But she needs somebody to be around, which how she operates.
Yeah, I
which
need
is
an outlet.
Yeah, so which is fine. So we both have different personalities in that. So sometimes when I am also going through my shit, I have my work shit, I have my life shit, whatever is, है ना. तो फिर जब podcast का भी आती है कि no हम नहीं बात करनी है, ये करना है, वो करना है, feeling this and that, I listen, but back of my mind में इतना कुछ चल रहा होता है कि it's okay, let it be, सुन लेते हैं, कर लेते हैं. But then at that point मेरे को लगता है कि
बस हो जाती है इंसान के get it.
कितना संभालूंगी इधर इधर सबको साइड
I
पे.
get
एंड
it.
लाइक ओके आई कांट, बट देन द नेक्स्ट डे इट्स फाइन. लाइक वो थोड़ा मोमेंट का ही रहता है, बट
I know.
दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट कम्युनिकेट विद देम.
Yeah.
लाइक ओके विल टॉक अबाउट दिस,
Yeah.
लेट्स नॉट टॉक
About this right now. Yeah. ये तो
Then I
इतनी
just
इमोशनल
go.
मेजॉरिटी मेरे में भी है कि यार हीटेड मोमेंट में ना पीछे जाओ अभी नहीं बात करनी है, बिकॉज अभी आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग दिस पर्सन दिस वेरी मोमेंट, बट आई नो आई लव देम रिगार्डलेस. तो मेरे को ये मैं आधे घंटे बाद आई एम गोना बी लाइक व्हाई द फक डिड आई से इट, आई डोंट मीन शिट,
Yeah.
यू नो, बट यू आर सो पिस्ड एट दैट मोमेंट. यू आर लाइक ये सब बोल देते हो, यू नो, तुम इतने लंबे लंबे पैराग्राफ्स टाइप कर देते हैं, देन आई लाइक कैन आई जस्ट टेक दैट बैक. सो ये तो मेरी एक आदत मैंने अच्छी सीखी है कि पीछे जाओ. ओके विल टॉक अबाउट इट लेटर, इवन दो द अदर पर्सन माइट बी पिस्ड कि अभी बोल अभी बता. बाद में बात करेंगे, मैं अभी बिल्कुल ठीक मूड में नहीं हूँ, मेरे से बिल्कुल बात मत करो. आई एम वेरी,
But I think personally for me, so I have all my life I have a problem with consistency, and I agree to that. Like whatever I start, I don't stick to it.
That's
okay.
means well.
I don't stick to it. No, you're sticking to your gym routine, which is consistency. I love it. I'm so proud of you. Consistency is not like going to every day, but you are still doing it, right?
Fair.
कभी 2 दिन हफ्ते में, कभी 3 दिन. This project for me is something
we've consistently stuck.
I'm consistently starting. Like I need to.
Love that.
I love to do this. So that's why I think this is so close to me, and I also want to prove that ki there is something in my life, one thing in my life which I stick
started.
to, and I started. I did it consistently, and then I don't know about the results, but yeah,
I love
just
that.
a thing,
I
like
know.
a project
I know
that,
that feeling.
I did consistently throughout, no matter what happened, nothing कुछ भी है, because I've never stick to anything in my life. Gym routine, nothing. एक हफ्ता जाती हूँ, एक हफ्ता नहीं जाती हूँ. Even my healthy routine, तो that's just default setting. But other than that, that's it. Work है, friends है, friendship also I'm consistently putting efforts. But this thing, you know.
I know. Thing like for me that's content creation as a whole. कि मुझे that is something I've stuck to. My gym routine is what I've stuck to, and these things are extremely precious to me.
Yes. So this is precious to me in that way.
I get it.
That I
Yeah.
need to stick to it, no
हाँ,
matter what.
So you can all like, it's a different spark in your eyes when you say that. And I know this feeling because I have the same level of with regards to content creation as a whole. You'll definitely see this girl on this page so much more than me.
Yeah.
That's
So
gonna happen.
let's say goodbye to her.
विदाई हो रही है मेरी.
let's say a good goodbye to her. We will miss you, and you were a good partner. No. I like roasting. You know
I know.
that's my love
know.
language.
I know for a fact.
But yeah,
I love this girl to bits, dude. I always will. And I'm glad I was able to do this with someone as mature, someone so kind, dude. Honestly, last मैं इसके
अरे, मेरे को
देख के
बीच
इसकी
बोल
तारीफ
रही
नहीं अरे again that is my love language. She's so kind. Like the last breakdown. There's been so many.
Yeah.
The last breakdown that actually led to all of this. I was like, we were both crying our eyes off, and I was like, bro, I don't want to do this because I don't want to ruin things between us. And with this surety, she let me know that it will not. मतलब मैं एंड तक सुन रही थी बट आई लेफ्ट विद द फीलिंग दैट आई थिंक इट विल नॉट बिकॉज अगैन शी इज द राइट वन गाइज इट रियली फील्स लाइक पूरा प्रपोजल ब्रेकअप हम कितने ड्रामेटिक है डूड
and we were sitting in a hall, food hall full of people. हमारे आसपास लोग हैं.
हमारे आसपास लोग अपने लैपटॉप्स पे लगे हुए somebody has to pass and he's like दो लड़कियां रो रही हैं मैं इनको बोलूं भी कैसे excuse me.
Such a fun
Chef's
breakdown.
kiss. Love it. It was so funny. From a third person POV, it would be so interesting.
Yeah. इसका मेकअप ऐसे नीचे आ रहा
ओ मेरा तो मैंने उस दिन ही कुछ वाटरप्रूफ वो पाउडर वगैरह कुछ नहीं मेरे बिल्कुल ऐसे लाइंस यहाँ पे ऐसे like everybody can
And
tell
then we
I
went to
cried.
have some wine.
Wine and pizza.
pasta. Oh, pizza. And then that's it. That was a good scene.
That was good.
Everything happens for a good reason. This was meant
have
to
a glass of
happen. No, like everything is meant to
I
happen
know,
for a
love,
good
I know.
reason. Universe might have some plans.
I know
That's
for a
why.
fact. I know for a fact कि again months or years down the line you'll be like glad we didn't stretch out something just for the heck of it.
Yeah.
कि दोनों का time पैसे energy waste करते. And probably नहीं. I know for a fact we will be doing much better independently. और अच्छा करेंगे और एक दूसरे को देख के फिर खुश रहेंगे ना यार साथ में सेलिब्रेट करेंगे और
So that's about it, guys. मेरे पास पता नहीं है मैं ये भी नहीं बोल सकती
Let
कि
me
we'll
know.
see you in the next episode. We'll see you after some months.
Let me put it out there that she will be a great podcast host और ये कट के फिर reel जाएगी. I'm telling you already 2025 Gursimran is going to be a great podcast host and I can't wait to be interviewed by you someday. Thank you. With that, this is the last-ish episode for this season. It was great having you guys all along.
Yes.
Love you all so much.
And we will see you very soon. I will see you very soon. I'm so used to that.
I hate and love this bitch at the same time. Bye.
Bye, guys.